Hola chicas y chicos, welcome to my channel. For today's video I got another wig review. This unit is by Sensational in the style DASHA. I got it in the Money Piece Champagne. Shout out to Sensational for sending me this beautiful unit. This is a beautiful color, you guys. This is a 13 by 6 lace front wig, so there is a couple of ways you could part her. I will be parting her in different styles. It comes with the 2 combs in the front and the comb in the back, the adjustable straps, y'all. If you guys are interested to see how I style her and how she ends up looking for me, then go ahead and keep watching. I will leave it in chapters, so check your favorite chapter down below. Hit the like button, subscribe, show some love, you guys. It really means a lot if you guys just hit that like button. Please just hit that like button. Thank you.
Don't prove me wrong, prove you right. Don't prove me wrong, prove you right. My word is bond, we don't spit no lies. A daughter of the sunshine, but every blue moon I come alive at night. I like lace and I like braids, but I love my natural edges laid from the east side, building on the west coast. My high tolerance for pain don't mean I'ma take your. All them fake followers ain't gon' like your pics. I rep the water bearer sign, but all the elements live rent free in my mind. Moody. 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 Oh, you big Moody. I crave love and attention, but I keep everybody at a distance. If I build it, will y'all really come? Bought all these panties, but I really don't wear none. I like boys and I like girls, but I love my baby. Some may judge, but Emmanuel is still God within me. Yeah. I don't drink liquor, but it's something about a champagne toast. Still can't swim
So you guys, this is one of my finished look for, I forgot this wig. And excuse the squeaky stool. So this is my final look for DASHA with in the color Money Piece Champagne. And this is a sensational Cloud 9 what lace wig. And this is how she looks in the stock card. These are some of the colors she comes in, so if you guys are interested in her, I feel like this is a really, really beautiful color. This is obviously a yaki texture, and it is more fuller, and she is rich in texture. At first, I was a little intimidated by the volume on this unit, but she is very cute. Like, I can't believe how cute she is and how easily it is to like run your fingers through it. I feel like yaki textures are less tangly, and they just look more natural overall. Like, this just looks like I just have a lot of hair. It is really sweaty though. I don't know if you guys could tell I'm really shiny and sweaty because it is a lot of hair. So maybe it's not like a real summer wig, maybe like a real cute like photo shoot wig, because I love how she's layered, and either way you put it, like you can keep combing her, and she like, look, like the layers are there. I put a little bit of concealer here. I feel like I didn't need the baby hairs. Like, it was so cute without it, but I just wanted to do it just so you guys could see how I look with the baby hairs. But she looks cute every way you put her. Like, look at this. Look at this And you guys, I have to give you a story time update. My baby daddy has been, I'm not gonna say real nice, because there's some shit he should have been doing a long time ago, but I don't know why he's barely stepping up to the plate. But you know, I appreciate it regardless, because I know there's some moms out there that don't get no type of help from their kids' father. So I'm happy to say that my baby daddy took my kids last week, so it's gonna be a whole week that he's had them. This is like the longest I've been without my kids, and to be honest, it feels so weird. But and then I haven't been posting lately because my mom has some health issues, and we have a family business. So between me going to the hospital and, you know, trying to take care of her, and like just being worried sick, and I had to like take over some of the business hours for us because I wasn't really going into our business anymore. But now I had to show up and, you know, support the family in a time of hardship. So it's a plus that the baby daddy picked up the kids, but at the same time, I'm still struggling with my time. It's like, if it's not one thing, it's another. But you guys, I'm here with this wig. Shout out to Sensational for sending me this one. I feel like they're testing me with these you know, different units. There's another one they sent me that I don't know how I'm gonna do it. Like, this was the easy one because she's just a lot of hair, but she's a beautiful, beautiful unit. Like, she looks natural. The color of this hair is bomb. She doesn't tangle. She's big head friendly. You really don't have to do much plucking unless you really are into plucking. I didn't tint the lace, even though I probably should have, or wore like a tan cap. But I think even without that, it looks awesome. So imagine with it, like, this shit is like bomb. It's a bomb. Now, I'm not sure how much she goes for, but I will leave some links to her in the description box if you guys are interested in this unit. Yeah, I'm not trying to make this super long because I still had to record some TikToks with it and shit like that. And you can see how sweaty I am. This is definitely a good wig to wear in the winter days to like keep your ass warm when you don't want to wear a hat or all that. But besides that, you guys, shout out to Sensational for sending me units. Look at that. Like, you're layered. You have this fresh blowout. You ready to go. Ready to go, baby. Like, this mimics human hair so much. It's thick. So if you're like one of those persons that don't really appreciate thick full wigs, then this might not be the wig for you. But if you guys like texture and fullness, then yes, baby, I recommend this wig. I don't know if about affordable, but Sensationals usually are affordable. It's long. I don't think it says how long. But again, it's a 13x6, so you can part anywhere around this area. It's a free parting. It is HD lace, so Look at that. HD lace, baby. Like, come on now. Sensational. You know when Sensational puts HD lace, you know that wig's gonna be good. Like anything else, it's up to you if you like the styles on them. But yeah, you guys, I feel so cute. I feel like one of those girls from, what was it called? Beach? Is that what's it called? I forgot what it was called, but I feel like one of those girls, like from the 80s. With their you know, fluffy hair, with all that hairspray. That's how I feel like, and it's beautiful, you guys. Beautiful. Go get her. I love you guys so much. Thanks for the support. Thanks for the support, you guys. Don't forget to hit the like button. It really does help a lot. Help me be seen in this channel by others. And thank you guys again. Love you.